For the next tutorial, I'm going to show you how to put a small hood scoop on the front of the car. I'm just going to put one on this side, and then, because you notice this is only half of a car, right? So the first thing we do is we click Extrude, Placement, Define, and I'm going to select this. You see how that surface is lighting up? I'm going to sketch that, and I'm going to go like that, bring it up, holding the Shift key down. I'm going to draw one right here. All I'm going to do is take a triangle, or a rectangle, I'm sorry, just make it fairly rudimentary one. Okay, something along that line. You can change the dimensions, as you know. Right now you can middle mouse button and then you can click this button and change the dimensions. For my purpose right now it's not important. I'm going to click OK, and then I'm going to click AB, Standard, and there it is. And I want to bring it down now because it's way too high in my way. Bring it down to look something like, I don't know, about like that. And hold the Shift key down, I can bring it into the center. 5 millimeters. Yeah, that looks all right. Maybe I might bump it up a little bit higher just for our purposes today. Now I click OK. Now it's a big block on the hood. Now the next thing I do is I'm going to do a chamfer to try to cut this. So you click the chamfer tool. I'm going to click it here, and that's definitely not what I want, is it? So I'm going to click the Escape key. And do you want to cancel it? Yes, I do. I'm going to do that again, chamfer tool, except I'm going to click the correct one this time. I'm going to click here. Now, if I drag this out, it doesn't look right. So I want to change the angle a little bit to play around with these angles, and you'll see what happens. Angle times D. I'm going to change the angle from 45 to maybe something more like something like that, and then drag this out until see what it looks like. So that's something more along what I'm looking for. And bring the angle down a bit more again. This is the nice thing. Pro Engineer Creo Elements is so flexible this way. Bring that out a little bit more. I'm going to leave it like that. Kind of like the look of that. And click OK. Now, right here, I'm going to blend it off. I want to make a nice little chamfer right across there. Something like that looks pretty neat. Yeah. This edge here, I want to chamfer this edge. You could any way if you wanted to. Actually, you know what? I'm going to leave it like that. Kind of looks like an old Dodge, which is my favorite car. AB, standard orientation, and there we go. We have a hood scoop on our car. So as you can see, it's starting to look like a car. Now, just for fun, now you see where the insert here is. I can drag that back down just to bring my wheels back, so I can have a look at it, see what it looks like. I'm going to take it back up and leave it there. Actually, I'll just leave it down there for now for our purposes. I'm going to click Save. Alright, save it. Hopefully I'm not overwriting my file. I'm going to click Stop.